In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom domain in GitHub pages. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. To begin, open your preferred web browser and visit GitHub by entering its address in the browser's address bar. Once the GitHub homepage appears, you will see the option to sign in. Click on the sign in button to proceed. This brings you to the login interface where you need to provide your credentials and successfully access your account. Signing in ensures that you have the proper permissions to manage your repositories. After you have signed in, you are taken to the GitHub dashboard. This is the central hub where you can view your repositories, notifications, and various other account details. From the dashboard, locate the list of your repositories. These repositories are home to your projects, and the one you choose for this tutorial should be the repository for which you wish to set up a custom domain. Click on the repository you have been working on and you will be taken to its main page. Within your repository, there is a settings area that holds all configuration options regarding your project. Navigate to the settings section by clicking on the designated settings option. Within the settings menu, look for the subsection dedicated to GitHub pages. This section specifically handles everything related to hosting your project as a website on GitHub pages. Once you have entered the GitHub pages settings, you will encounter the custom domain option. This part of the page is designed to let you associate your repository with a specific domain. The purpose of using a custom domain is to provide a personalized and memorable web address for your site. Click on the area where the custom domain is listed to begin the process of entering your desired domain. In the custom domain field, type in the domain name you have chosen for your website. It is important to ensure that the domain has been registered and properly configured with your DNS provider prior to this step, so that once you save these settings, your website will be accessible through that domain. Once you have carefully entered your custom domain without any mistakes, your next task is to save the entry. Locate the save button on the page and click it to commit your changes. After clicking save, GitHub will process your configuration and link your repository to your custom domain. You may be prompted to verify that your domain settings are correctly configured at your DNS provider, which means that your domain's records such as CNAME or A records point to GitHub pages. Take a moment to double check these settings using your DNS management tool if needed. This complete process transforms your GitHub hosted project into a professional website accessible via your own domain name. Following this guide ensures that you have successfully navigated through GitHub's interface, reached the necessary settings, and properly input your custom domain details. Enjoy the enhanced presence of your project on the web with a domain that represents your unique identity.